Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to open an online bank account with NatWest Bank. Opening an account with NatWest can be done entirely online in just a few simple steps. I'll be demonstrating the process using their everyday bank account option. So to get started, open up your web browser on desktop or mobile and navigate to NatWest Ecom. That's the official NatWest website. Once the homepage loads, click on the Products tab at the top and select Bank Accounts from the drop-down menu. This will display the many personal and business account types that NatWest offers. So take a moment to explore the features of each one of them if you like. However, for this demo, I'm going to click on the Everyday Bank Account option, and then scroll down the page and click the Ready to Upload button to expand the application form. Next up, we'll need to choose one of the 4 account types we have: sole, joint, child, or power of attorney. So select the one that fits your needs. I'm going to choose the social accounts. On the following page, we will have to specify whether you are an existing NatWest customer opening a new account or a completely new customer. I'm going to choose a new customer, and then you'll need to enter some personal details, including your title, your full name, date of birth, contact number, and email address. Make sure to fill in the required fields extremely carefully and accurately, as any mistake, no matter how simple, could lead to the rejection or disapproval of your application. And then you'll need to carefully proceed through each one of the next steps of the application process as prompted. This will include verifying your identity and confirming your home address. After that, NatWest will walk you through each requirement in order to properly submit your application for review and approval. Like I said, as long as you accurately provide all the necessary personal information on each one of these steps, your new everyday bank account will be opened. And that's a wrap for the overview for the complete process of applying and opening an online bank account with NatWest. I hope this gives you a clear idea of how fast and easy it is to open an account digitally with NatWest Bank. If you found this video tutorial to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for our future videos.